everyone. It is a glorious day in March and I took off of work today, so Declan and I are exploring farms. We're exploring farms in the area. Just kidding, we're on a nature hike trail. It's also probably super windy. I don't know if you can even hear me.
There's lots of land here that's been unexplored by us.
We're going to be going on many more nature walks in the future now that we've sort of discovered this, although Declan has known about it for a while. But I'm just finding out about it, and this place is gorgeous. Miles and miles of land. So vlogs to come. Us discovering Princeton nature trails. Woohoo! About to go get tacos. And Declan's also deciding if he should keep his mustache.
If it grows in red, like, no, hell no.
What is it called? The ginger beard? Oh, oh.
The ratio of red to brown hairs on my head, I'd say it's about 5 to 1.
5 brown, 1 red?
No.
5 red, 1 brown? No. It's the first time that I'm having shack sauce. Okay, I didn't really take a good shack sauce bite. Oh my god, I got some on my finger. Yeah, it's in the middle. Okay, I'll report back later. Shake Shack confirmed, heaven on earth. Now we're going to a thrift store. No! Hello, so Declan and my phones both died. That last video where I was like, oh no, I remembered that I only had 3% battery, and then I was like, oh my gosh, perfect, I'll use Declan's phone, and then he realized that he had 4% battery, and we were trying to get to the thrift store, but we made it 15 minutes before it was gonna close, so we honestly were quite rushed, but we're going to show you what we got. I'm actually super hyped. Then we went to Michael's and got some stuff. So we'll do the a thrift haul.
Here's the first tee. We got a dog. I don't know. Looks like lots of stuff we can do here. We got this cool green hoodie. Pops.
What are you gonna paint on it? You need to think about it.
Yeah, I'm thinking about it, but I have a concept. It's right here, Clamtown Tuckerton Marina Weekend.
What drew you to this shirt?
The clam. Yeah, the clam.
We have a little vase. It's really pretty. Okay, and then I also got this dark green, an orange fleece inside. Ta-da! It's very nice. This is a pair of large overalls. There will be a few monsters up in here, a few aliens along the side, and then I think I'm gonna do like the Louis Vuitton pattern here. This is a Jimmy Buffett t-shirt. Declan and I finished a bottle of sparkling pink lemonade. Okay, the day has come to a close. We're done painting. Declan and I are now watching, what's the movie? It's with Matt Damon and who else?
I don't know the girl's name.
But yes, we're gonna watch that movie. Okay, bye. It's been a fun day. I didn't get too much footage, honestly, so maybe this will be like a vlog for when Declan's home, which will be an eternity at this point. He's gonna be with us for the rest of his life. Hello, Declan has made a concoction. It is a cookie with this other cookie, like ice cream thing and strawberries. Looks very good. I already devoured mine. Hello, it is another day of quarantine. I just woke up, I have my coffee, and I just made avocado toast with turmeric. This is my toast. day. Dad's reading. I am,
Please hang up and try again.
This tea is so good, and I will tell you how Mom makes it because she just told me the recipe, and she's making a batch of blueberry tea right now. Okay, so you just heat up this small amount of water. One cup of orange juice.